So first things first, we're gonna get into the chin, but before you even grab the client and start touching them, you always need to make sure that you do your due diligence as a coach and tell the client what they're gonna do. So what this is gonna look like is I'll say to Jade, hey Jade, today I'm gonna do the skin folds on you. It's a 12-site body fat test. I am gonna be pinching and taking measurements from your body. Is that okay?
Yes.
Wait for client confirmation. This is just part of being professional and making sure, because if you go in and the client has no idea what you're doing and you start grabbing them, they're gonna be like, what the hell is going on? So make sure you do that before grabbing and taking any sites. This is just part of a standard procedure that you do. So the first one is the chin. So Jay's just gonna stand exactly where she is, just getting her to look up ever so slightly. So the best way to do this is you take your index finger, you put it at the edge of the edge of your client's chin. Now I'm gonna get my calipers and I'm gonna put it right next to where my finger is and let go. So when you're doing a skin fold, you wanna find the site. So now I've found the site, that's where it is. Now I'm gonna get my body into position. So you can see here now my body, Jade is obviously shorter than I am, so I need to kind of reach down. Now, always when taking a skin fold, see how my hand is now completely opened. I put it at the bottom of Jade's chin. I pull everything together and pulling in a downward direction. Now, the calipers are pretty much perpendicular with Jade. So that's my measurement. I've kept my trigger finger on and now I'm gonna let go. Now, one of the things is with every site, I'm gonna say this, is if you're new to measurements, once you get more experience, one site should be sufficient, but always take 2 measurements. And if you're completely off, then you're gonna need to take a 3rd measurement. So mine are pretty much bang on both measurements there. And that's how you do the chin. Very, very simple.